So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to attach the Hercules grinding dust shroud to the Hercules angle grinder.
You can buy this dust shroud at Harbor Freight for a pretty decent price. When it is on sale, it's about $30, which is much cheaper than a DeWalt version of this, which is probably about $50 more.
So I've seen a lot of reviews. People are mentioning that the dust shroud doesn't fit. So I'll show you how it can fit. So this kit gives you all these rings. You want to find one of the right thickness. This is like the second thinnest ring. You want to fit this over edge of this C, goes into this. So it should match the same thickness as that. So this is the shroud, the dust shroud kit. So it comes with this extra hose, and I attached it to my shop vac. So I think it's worth getting the kit rather than just buying the shroud all by itself. Unless if your shroud is broken and you already have these adapters. So yeah, get the kit. Okay, so I have attached it. You just stretch it out and then you place it right there. So this piece should just go right into that notch, and this is how low it goes. It should be flush with this piece. The next step is to attach the shroud. So what you want to do is loosen this nut all the way until it barely fits on there, so that this piece will stretch. This metal piece will stretch. And then you want to have the Hercules face the front when you flip it, and then you just attach it, so like so.
5 minutes later.
So you want to push this guy in and get it as level as you can get it. Like so. That's how it should look. So it's not going to be centered. So what you do, you want to tighten this nut as much as you can, and then clamp it. And then when you're done, it should be somewhat centered over the shaft.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps this channel out so I can make more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.